Welcome to 38654 West 91st Street South in Mannford, Oklahoma. This home sits on a beautiful estate of 100 acres with sites for fishing, hunting, and many more outdoor recreational activities. The home here boasts over 3,500 square feet of move-in ready living space with an incredible view and open space to relax. Stepping inside, you'll quickly fall in love with the open, expansive living area. Soaring high ceilings and a flowing open concept make this home a must-see. The kitchen boasts a beautiful center island and plenty of space for meal prep and entertaining. You'll personally enjoy plenty of rest and relaxation in the private main floor master suite. Loads of room for large furniture in the bedroom is complemented by a luxurious master bath and plenty of storage space. Heading back to the front entry, you'll find a beautiful formal dining room and a beautiful staircase to the upstairs landing. Upstairs, this home features 2 more bedrooms along with a wide open entertainment room and a wet bar where plenty of fun can be imagined. During your tour, be sure to inquire about the long list of perks and special features. Don't miss out on this immaculate home in Mannford. Set up your tour today. For more information, contact Tammy Rice with the 918 Sold Sisters at Coldwell Banker Select. And for your lending needs, remember Sky Bushyhead at AMC Mortgage.